this naman, infrastructures. Diba, some areas of the Philippines, wala sa mga towers and towers, wala sa internet, wala sila data. Diba? Makuha nyo, ito yung access to technology. So, whether individuals or communities, wala silang cellphone individual. And also, it encompasses issues such as having broadband internet access. So, wala sila access sa internet also. Wala sila access sa technology. That is one of the aspects of digital divide. Owning of computers and smartphones. Sila mga old. Sila mga nag-iya sa smartphones or computers. And having the means to acquire and maintain these devices. Most of the access to technology. One of the aspects of digital divide is access to technology. Hindi sila magagamit sa internet, wala sila sa smartphone and so on. Wala access to technology. So ito si Han. Sa likod. Ito yung mga. Wala na. Okay, next naman is digital literacy. So according sa picture, what do you mean by digital literacy? Sige namin istoryado. Digital literacy. Like the case of digital device. So, So, isi-define ng digital literacy. What do you mean by digital literacy? So, from the word digital, basic no, digital. Digital. Sige na, sa likod. Sige na, Mr. Kwan.
Lapura. Lapura.
Lapura. See what do you mean by digital? Mr. Lapura. The word digital. Sige daw.
Hindi sa mga tabak, hindi sa wala.
Marami na sa ability, sir.
Like what? Sige daw, building to?
Gamit sa digital ng mga device.
Wala ko sa digital device. So what do you mean by digital? Di ba mga